The realm of online security, understanding how the server can be compromised is crucial not just for the hacker, but for a server administrator seeking to protect their system. This guide provides insight into various aspects related to the server hacking, prevention measure, and responses. First, type of server hackers. Before delving into the prevention and response strategy, it is essential to recognize the different type of the server hacker. First, griefers. These hackers aim to disrupt and cause chaos within a server environment. They might delete files, crash servers, or create other forms of havoc. Second, exploiters. Exploiters seek to take advantage of vulnerabilities in the software or server configuration to gain unauthorized access or manipulate resources or exploit game mechanics for personal gain. And third one, cheaters. They are typically found in gaming environment. Cheaters use hack or cheat to gain unfair advantage over their players, compromising the integrity of the game. And our next is how to prevent server hacks. Protecting your server from hacker required protective approach. Uh, some protective approach are use strong passwords, ensure all the server accounts have a strong unique password that are not easily guessed. And another is enable two-factor authentication. 2FA. Implement 2FA wherever possible to add an extra layer of security, especially for administrative accounts. Keep software up to date and regularly update your server, operating system, application, and plugins to patch known vulnerabilities. Next is how to react to a server hack. Discover a server hack can be alarming, but knowing how to respond effectively is a crucial. Contact your hosting provider. Immediately inform your hosting provider to investigate any potential damage and seek their assistance in investigating the deeds. Roll back your server. Restore your server to the previous known clean state. Give backup are available to remove any malicious made by a hacker. Ban the hacker. Once identified, ban the hacker from accessing your server to prevent further attacks. How to remove a server hacker? Remove a hacker from your server involves several steps. Some notify the institution. Investigate how the hacker gained access to your server, whether through weak password, uncached software, or other vulnerabilities. Remove unauthorized access. Close out hacker access point and ensure all compromised accounts are secured with a new password. Audit and monitor. Conduct throughout audit of server log and activity to identify any linear breaching thread or sign of continued unauthorized access. Another is how to prevent server hack in the future. To safeguard your server against future attacks, educate your player or administrator. Educate your user on the best practice for online security, including a strong password management and recognize phishing attempt. Set clear rules and expectations. Establish and enforce server rules regarding acceptable behavior and consequences for violations. Monitor server activity. Regularly monitor server logs and user activity for suspicious behavior or anomalies that may indicate a potential breach. Thanks for watching.